proving him wrong, and the chorus of criticism from conservatives seems to be getting louder by the day. Conservative columnist George Will writes today, it's not important that she's confirmed, it might.
An emergency alert has been activated. Please stay to channel 15 for further information. Thank you.
Law enforcement warning issued for northwestern Henry County, in Indiana, valid until further notice. Health inspection agencies have received multiple reports of contaminated food items at a local supermarket chain named Hemon-Kumert. At this time, there is a perimeter set up around the supermarket, and anybody caught trespassing will be detained on site with no questions asked. It is advised that, if you have purchased any items at this store, to dispose of them immediately, as they contain an unidentified disease which can be deadly. If you have ingested food from the supermarket, seek medical attention immediately as your life is in grave danger. The supermarket will remain closed until further notice.